Hello and welcome. Settle in, get comfortable, and let's embark on a journey together into the quiet of the night. You've found your way to our little corner of the universe, a place for calm thoughts and gentle learning, designed to help you drift off to sleep. Tonight, we're turning our gaze upward to one of the sky's most breathtaking spectacles, the blood moon. Close your eyes for a moment or let them rest gently on the screen. Imagine a vast dark canvas sprinkled with distant shimmering stars. And there, hanging in the stillness, is the moon, our constant companion. But tonight, it's different. It's not the familiar silver or pearly white. Instead, it glows with a deep coppery red. This is the blood moon, a celestial event that has captivated humanity for millennia. So, what exactly is a blood moon? The name might sound dramatic, but the science behind it is a beautiful cosmic dance. It's not a sign of anything ominous, but rather a perfect alignment of the sun, the earth, and the moon. What we call a blood moon is actually a total lunar eclipse. This happens when the earth passes directly between the sun and the moon, casting its shadow onto the lunar surface. Think of it like this. The earth, our home, is blocking the sun's direct light from reaching the moon. You might expect the moon to simply disappear, plunged into complete darkness, but it doesn't. And this is where the magic happens. A little bit of sunlight still manages to find its way to the moon, but it has to travel a long and winding path. It skims through the Earth's atmosphere. Our atmosphere acts like a giant filter. As the sunlight passes through it, all the blue, green, and violet light gets scattered away. It's the same reason our sky looks blue during the day. But the red and orange light, with their longer wavelengths, are less affected. They bend and continue their journey through space, finally reaching the moon and bathing it in a soft, reddish glow. It's as if all the sunrises and sunsets of the world are being projected onto the lunar surface at once. A truly spectacular thought, isn't it? So when you see a blood moon, you are witnessing the filtered light of our own planet's dawns and dusks, painted across the face of our celestial neighbor. It's a quiet reminder of our place in the cosmos, a connection between our world and the one orbiting it. This phenomenon doesn't happen every night, or even every year. It requires a precise celestial alignment, making each total lunar eclipse a special event. The Earth's shadow is made of two parts, the darker, inner part called the umbra, and the fainter, outer part called the penumbra. For a true blood moon to occur, the entire moon must pass through the umbra, the very heart of Earth's shadow. As you listen, allow your breathing to slow down. Inhale deeply and exhale completely. Imagine the gentle pull of gravity, the same force that keeps the moon in its orbit around us. It's a force of connection, of stability. It's the same force that holds you softly in your bed right now. Throughout history, the blood moon has been a source of wonder, myth, and legend. Ancient civilizations, without the scientific understanding we have today, created stories to explain its sudden, dramatic change in color. Some saw it as a powerful omen, a message from the gods. Incan folklore spoke of a great jaguar attacking the moon, and people would shout and shake their spears at the sky to scare it away. In ancient Mesopotamia, they believed an eclipse was an assault on their king, and would even appoint a temporary substitute king to take the brunt of any ill fortune. These stories, born from a time of mystery, highlight a fundamental human trait, our desire to find meaning in the world around us. But today, we can find a different kind of meaning, not in fear, but in awe. We can look at the blood moon and appreciate the beautiful, predictable clockwork of our solar system. We can marvel at the physics of light, the properties of our atmosphere, and the intricate dance of celestial bodies. Let your mind drift with these thoughts. Picture the moon on its silent journey. It has no light of its own. It only reflects the light of the sun. It's a quiet observer, a mirror to the cosmos. As it passes into Earth's shadow, it doesn't vanish, but transforms. It takes on the color of our own atmosphere, a reflection of our world. Feel the tension leaving your muscles. Let your shoulders relax, your jaw unclench. There is nothing you need to do right now, nowhere you need to be, other than right here, resting. The universe is carrying on with its grand, silent ballet. and you are a part of it, safe and sound. The duration of a total lunar eclipse can vary. The moon can remain in that deep red state for over an hour, a slow and majestic spectacle for those who are watching. It moves gradually into the shadow, its silver edge dimming, turning orange, then a deep crimson, and just as slowly it emerges on the other side, returning to its familiar, brilliant white. It's a process, a gradual transition from one state to another, much like the process of falling asleep. Your body is beginning its own transition from the wakefulness of the day to the deep rest of the night. Your heart rate slows, your breathing becomes deeper, more regular. Your mind, once busy with the day's events, begins to quiet down. Allow this process to unfold naturally. Just like we can't rush an eclipse, we can't force sleep. We can only create the right conditions for it to arrive. Imagine yourself as an astronomer, patiently waiting by a telescope. You're not anxious or impatient. You are simply observing, present in the moment, ready to witness something beautiful. Your focus is soft. Your mind is open. You're not striving for anything. You're just allowing the night to deepen, allowing your body to rest, allowing your mind to find peace. The red glow of the blood moon is gentle, not harsh. It's a warm, earthy color. Imagine that soft, coppery light filling your room, a calming glow that soothes your senses. It's the color of embers in a dying fire, the color of a setting sun. It's a color of tranquility, of an ending that promises a new beginning. After the eclipse, the moon will be reborn into its full, silver light. And after a night of deep sleep, you too will awaken, refreshed and renewed. Let go of any lingering thoughts from your day. Picture them as small clouds drifting past the face of the moon and disappearing into the vastness of space. They are temporary. They will pass. What remains is the stillness of the night sky and the deep peace within you. The universe is vast and ancient, and our lives are a fleeting, precious part of its story. Events like a lunar eclipse connect us to that vastness. They remind us that we are part of something much larger than our daily worries. There is a grand cosmic rhythm, and tonight you can align yourself with it. The rhythm of the planets, the rhythm of the tides, the rhythm of your own breath. In and out, slow and steady. As we reach the end of our journey tonight, hold on to that image of the blood moon, a symbol not of fear but of transformation, of hidden beauty, of the deep and peaceful connection between the earth, the sun, and the moon. A reminder that even when things seem to be in shadow, there is still light, transformed into something new and beautiful. Thank you for joining me in this quiet space. I hope these thoughts have brought you a sense of calm and wonder. If you've enjoyed this time together, please consider following our channel for more lectures for sleep. May your rest be deep and your dreams be peaceful. Good night. Sleep well